ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोः पदम् मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा। हरिः ओम। Kindly remember your Ishtadevata, personal God, and offer your devotional, respectful prostrations and seek the blessings for making this attempt to meditate successful and fruitful. Position yourselves pleasantly and comfortably erect. Keep your spine, neck and your head pleasantly straight, comfortably erect. Bring your thumb and the forefinger together and keep your palms open to the roof, open to the sky. Keep them on your knees or on your thighs. Keep your eyes closed and follow the guidelines with total concentration. Kindly become aware of your body. Feel your body. Recognize your body and be attentive towards your body. Become aware of the right side portion of your body. And become aware of the left side portion of your body. And become aware of the whole body. Become aware of the lower portion of your body. Become aware of the middle portion of your body. And become aware of the top portion of your body. and become aware of the whole body. Become aware of your heart center, Hrudaya Kendra, Anahata Chakra Kendra, and focus the total attention of your mind intensely upon this center. Slowly become aware of your breathing inside the nostrils, the natural flow of the breath, smooth and soft flow, feather-like touch of the incoming breath, smooth and soft flow, and feather-like touch of the outgoing breath. Slowly shift the attention of your mind onto the Ajna Chakra, center between your eyebrows, the Bhrumadhya Kendra, and become aware of it. And feel that the breath is functioning through this Ajna Chakra. Feel the incoming breath through this Ajna Chakra and feel the outgoing breath through this Ajna Chakra. Total attentiveness, complete concentration only upon the Ajna Chakra and the breathing that is happening there. Continue to be aware of this Ajna Chakra and the smooth flow of the incoming breath inside this Ajna Chakra, and also the smooth flow of the outgoing breath inside this Ajna Chakra. As you are breathing in, feel that you are breathing in the Jnanam, the knowledge. Feel that the breath is bringing into you through this Ajna Chakra the knowledge, the higher knowledge, the true knowledge of yourself. And when you are breathing out through this chakra, along with the breath, feel that you are breathing out the ignorance, ajnana. As you are breathing out through this chakra, feel that the ignorance is going out, the ajnana is going out, and when you are breathing in through this chakra, jnana, the knowledge, self-knowledge is coming in. The self-knowledge is entering through the incoming breath. The jnanam is entering through the incoming breath, which is functioning inside the Ajna Chakra. And when you are breathing out, feel that all the ajnana, all the avidya is going out through the Ajna Chakra along with the outgoing breath. You are breathing out the ajnana and breathing in the jnana. Along with this feeling, associate one more thing. As you are breathing in through the Ajna Chakra, the divine light is entering through this Ajna Chakra along with the breath. The knowledge is entering through the Ajna Chakra and the divine light is entering through this Ajna Chakra along with the incoming breath. And along with the outgoing breath, Ajnana is going out through the Ajna Chakra and the darkness is going out through this Ajna Chakra. All the darkness that is there inside is going out through this Ajna Chakra. All the negativities, all the limitations, all the bondages are going out in the form of darkness. The darkness that is there inside is going out through this Ajna Chakra along with the outgoing breath. Breathe in the knowledge and the divine light. The knowledge and the divine light is coming into you along with the breath through the Ajna Chakra. And all the ignorance and the darkness is going out along with the outgoing breath through this Ajna Chakra. Breathe in the knowledge and the divine light through this Ajna Chakra. The natural process of breathing. Breathe out the ajnana, the ignorance and the darkness through this Ajna Chakra. the knowledge and the light are completely filling your entire internal organ. The Antahakarana is filled with the knowledge and the divine light. Your body is filled with the knowledge and the divine light. The whole of your head, the whole of your body, the whole of your Antahakarana is filled with the knowledge and the divine light. And all the ajnana, ignorance, and the darkness, along with the negativities and limitations and bondages, is going out through the Ajna Chakra, along with the outgoing breath. All the ignorance and the darkness is moving out of your body, moving out of your head, moving out of your Antahakarana. Feel that you are breathing in joy along with the incoming breath. The divine joy is entering into you through the Ajna Chakra along with the incoming breath. The divine joy is entering into you through the Ajna Chakra along with the incoming breath. Feel that this sorrow, the human sorrow, all this sorrow is going out through the Ajna Chakra along with the outgoing breath. You are breathing out all the sorrow. You are breathing in all the joy, the divine joy. Continue to remain in concentration upon the Ajna Chakra, total attentiveness upon the Ajna Chakra, and continue to recognize the smooth flow of the incoming breath and the outgoing breath inside the Ajna Chakra, inside the eyebrow center, inside the Bhrumadhya Kendra. And along with the incoming breath, The joy is entering into you. The joy is getting filled inside you. More and more joy is entering into you, along with the incoming breath through the Ajna Chakra. And the sorrow is going out of you. All the sorrow is going out of you, along with the outgoing breath through the Ajna Chakra. Along with the incoming breath that is functioning through the Ajna Chakra, all the happiness is entering into you. All the happiness is entering into you. And along with the outgoing breath, all the misery is going out of you. Misery at the physical level, misery at the level of internal organ, Antahakarana, is going out of you, along with the outgoing breath through the Ajna Chakra. You are breathing in all the happiness and breathing out all the misery. Along with the incoming breath, you are breathing in all the love. All the love is entering into you, along with the incoming breath through the Ajna Chakra. All the love is entering into you through the Ajna Chakra. The pure love, the unconditional love, the pure love, the unconditional love, all the love is entering in through the Ajna Chakra, along with the incoming breath. And along with the outgoing breath, all the hatred is going out through the Ajna Chakra. All the hatred is going out through the Ajna Chakra, along with the outgoing breath. The pure love is settling down inside your head, inside your body, inside your internal organ, Antahakarana. The whole inside portion is getting filled up with the love, pure love, unconditional love. The whole of your being is filled with all the love, pure love, divine love, unconditional love. Along with the incoming breath, all the peace is entering into you, all the peacefulness, all the peace is entering into you through this Ajna Chakra. You are breathing in the peace, breathing in the peace, all the peace. Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. The peace is entering into you along with the incoming breath through this Ajna Chakra. And all the disturbance, all the Ashanti is going out along with the outgoing breath through the Ajna Chakra. All the peacelessness, all the agitations, all the disturbance, all the Ashanti is going out through the Ajna Chakra along with the outgoing breath. The whole of your head is filled with peace. The whole of your body is filled with peace. The whole of the internal organ, Antahakarana, the mind, the intellect, the memory, the ego, the manas, the buddhi, the chitta, the ahankara, the whole of the Antakarana is filled with peace, peacefulness, Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. The mind is peaceful. The intellect is peaceful. The ego is peaceful. The faculty of memory is peaceful. Manas is Shanta. Buddhi is Shanta. Chitta is Shanta. Ahankara is Shanta. There is Shanti. 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 Your being is filled with peace. The whole of your being is filled with love. The entire being is filled with happiness. The whole of your being is filled with joy. The whole of your being is filled with knowledge. You are full of knowledge. You are full of joy. You are full of happiness. You are full of love. You are full of peace. You are filled with the divine light. All the darkness has left you. All the ignorance has left you. All the sorrow, the unhappiness, the misery, the hatred, the peacelessness, the disturbance, all of them have left you. All of them have gone out of your being. You are full of peace. Now slowly concentrate also upon the gap between the breaths. Along with the incoming breath, you have received and you are receiving all the knowledge, all the light, joy, happiness, love, peace. And along with the outgoing breath, you have given up the darkness, the ajnana, the ignorance, the sorrow, the unhappiness, the hatred, the peacelessness. All of them have gone out. The incoming breath is deeper and deeper, slow and smooth and soft and deep. The incoming breath goes deep into you, and then before it comes out, it halts for a while inside. Become aware of this natural gap. When the breath has gone out, moved out, before another fresh breath enters into you, there is a gap, a small natural gap. Become aware of it. Become aware of the outer gap. When the outgoing breath has completely moved out through the Ajna Chakra, before the new breath enters into you, there is a gap, natural gap. Become aware of this natural outer gap. And then when the breath moves into you, deeply it moves into you, and then there is an inner gap. Become aware of the inner gap. Become conscious of the inner gap. In these gaps, in the inner gap and the outer gap, there is neither like nor dislike. One has gone beyond the likes and dislikes. In these inner gaps, there is neither I-ness nor the minus. One has gone beyond the I-ness and minus. In these inner gap and the outer gaps, there is neither doership nor enjoyership. One has gone beyond the doership and the enjoyership. There are no likes in these gaps. The inner gap between the incoming breath and the outgoing breath. The outer gap between the outgoing breath and the incoming breath. In these gaps, there is no duality. In these gaps, there is no duality. There are no likes, there are no dislikes. There is no I-ness, there is no minus. There is no doership, there is no enjoyership. These are the gaps of Brahma Bhavana. Brahma Bhavana. You are neither the body or the mind or the intellect or the memory or the ego. You are the Supreme Self. In these gaps, you go beyond the good and beyond the bad. In these gaps, you go beyond the right and beyond the wrong. There is pure consciousness, pure consciousness. Between every incoming breath and every outgoing breath, there is this inner gap. And between every outgoing breath and every incoming breath, there is this outer gap. In these gaps, inner gap and the outer gap, there is no influence of duality. There is no impact of the world. You remain in a state in these gaps, beyond the good and bad, beyond the right and wrong, beyond the likes and dislikes, beyond the I-ness and minus, and beyond the doership and enjoyership. You remain in the pure state of awareness, the pure awareness, the pure awareness. As you become intensely aware of these gaps, after a certain period of practice, slowly these gaps starts becoming more and more. The duration of the gap increases more and more naturally, and one continues to remain in a state without the influence of the duality. Every breath you have used for the spiritual sadhana. The incoming breath brought into you all the knowledge, all the light. The outgoing breath has taken out of you all the darkness, all the ignorance. The incoming breath brought into you all the joy, all the happiness. The outgoing breath has taken out of you all the sorrow, all the unhappiness. The incoming breath has brought into you all the love, all the peace. The outgoing breath has taken out of you all the hatred, all the disturbance. When you are filled with Daivi Sampada, when you got rid of Asuri Sampada, when you are filled with divine qualities, when you got rid of all the asuric qualities, you are left in a state there where you experience the state of Brahma Tattva. In these gaps between the incoming breath and the outgoing breath, in this inner gap and in the gap between the outgoing breath and the incoming breath, in this outer gap, there is Brahma Bhavana. There is pure awareness. There are neither likes nor dislikes, neither I-ness nor minus, neither doership nor enjoyership. In these gaps there is pure awareness. Pure awareness. Every incoming breath can be utilized for the sadhana. Every outgoing breath can be utilized for this sadhana. And every gap can be utilized for attaining this pure state of awareness. All the divine qualities easily become acquired in this process of meditation. And all the asuric qualities go out of us through this process of meditation. And we will attain a state of pure awareness. In every gap Between these breaths, there is the experience of Brahma Bhavana. I am pure awareness, pure awareness, pure awareness. If every incoming breath, every outgoing breath, and every gap, inner gap and the outer gap, if they are offered in this manner, in the spiritual practice, one soon attains the state of pure awareness. I am the awareness, pure awareness. Slowly withdraw yourselves from this process of meditation and simply become aware of the eyebrow center, Ajna Chakra. Simply become aware of the Ajna Chakra, the eyebrow center. And slowly become aware of your body by remaining aware of the Ajna Chakra. From there, become aware of your body. And slowly unlock your fingers. And slowly take your palms near to your eyes. Become aware of your eyes, eyelids, eyelashes, eyebrows, and become aware of your palms, and slowly open your eyes and look at your own palms. Slowly close your eyes and slowly lower your palms. And together, पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री परमात्मने नमः। श्री परब्रह्मणे नमः। हरिः ॐ।